Have you ever covered your mouth while talking? Or stepped back just in case? You brush, you rinse, you pop a mint. But the smell keeps coming back. Here's the shocking truth most people don't know. Bad breath doesn't come from your teeth. And if you're only masking it, you're letting the real cause get worse. Imagine that stale, sour taste in your mouth right now. That's not random. That's a warning sign. Asterisk bad breaths, also called halitosis, is one of the most embarrassing problems people quietly suffer with. You start overthinking. Do they smell it? Is this why people step back? It doesn't brushing fix this. And the worst part, most people attack the symptom, not the source. Mouthwash works. For 20 minutes, gum lasts 10 minutes. Mints fade in 5. Meanwhile, the bacteria causing the odor are still multiplying. Asterisk, here's the urgency. Chronic bad breath is often the first sign of gum disease, dry mouth, or bacterial imbalance. Ignore it long enough, and it can lead to bleeding, gum recession, tooth loss, costly dental treatment. But the good news? If you fix the root cause, bad breath can be eliminated permanently. Asterisk myth number 1. Mouthwash fixes bad breath. Mouthwash is like spraying perfume in a trash room. It doesn't remove the garbage, it just covers the smell temporarily. Asterisk why it fails. Alcohol dries the mouth. Dry mouth equals more odor, causing bacteria. Smell comes back stronger long term. Overuse actually worsens bad breath. Asterisk myth number 2. Bad breath comes from the stomach. In over 90% of cases, bad breath starts in the mouth, not the stomach. The real culprits: tongue bacteria, gum pockets, food debris, dry mouth, blaming digestion, delays real treatment, and allows gum disease to progress silently. Asterisk. Let's break this down simply. Bad breath is caused by volatile sulfur compounds, smelly gases released by bacteria. Asterisk. Where do these bacteria live? Tongue surface, the biggest source between teeth. Under inflamed gums, your tongue is like a thick carpet. Brushing teeth but ignoring the tongue is like vacuuming the floor but never cleaning the rug. Dry mouth is like a pond with no movement. Bacteria thrive and stink. Asterisk. Gum pockets trap food and bacteria. Left alone, they rot, releasing odor nonstop. Asterisk. If bacteria aren't removed or saliva isn't flowing, bad breath cannot go away permanently. Asterisk. Stage 1. Minor discomfort, morning breath. Sour taste, occasional embarrassment. Stage 2. Worsening problem. Constant odor, bleeding gums, tongue coating, thickened. Stage 3. Structural damage, gum disease, gingivitis gives. Periodontitis, gum recession, bone loss. Stage 4. Catastrophic outcome, tooth loss, chronic. Infection, expensive dental procedures. Social anxiety and confidence loss. Stop gum disease before it's too late. Bad breath is often the first warning sign. Asterisk. Tip number 1. Clean the tongue daily, non-negotiable. This removes the number 1 odor source. Asterisk. Step by step. Use a tongue scraper or soft toothbrush. Start at the back of the tongue, gently pull forward, repeat 5 to 7 times. Rinse after each stroke, once daily, preferably morning, no force. Gentle pressure only. Asterisk. Tip number 2. Fix dry mouth, fuel for odor. No saliva equal to bad breath paradise. Daily routine. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Chew sugar-free xylitol gum 10 to 15 minutes. 2 times daily. Breathe through your nose, not mouth. Optional. Rinse once daily. Asterisk. 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Swish for 30 seconds. Spit. This neutralizes odor-causing acids. Asterisk. Tip number 3. Floss like you mean it. Food stuck between teeth rots. Asterisk. Use 18 inches of floss. Curve into a C-shaped. Slide gently below gum line. Move up and down 3 to 4 times per tooth, once daily preferably. At night, this alone eliminates bad breath for many people. Asterisk. Don't rely on alcohol mouthwash. Don't scrape tongue aggressively. Don't ignore bleeding gums. Don't mask odor. Remove the cause. Asterisk. If this helped you breathe confidently again, like this video, comment which tip surprised you most. Subscribe for honest dental education. No myths, no fear. Asterisk, bad breath is not your fault, but fixing it is your power.